Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Why is the use of sugar dangerous and how to abandon it? Sugar is a product that is in the daily diet of very many. It has already been mentioned many times that a given product is not useful. However, it is very difficult to abandon it, because almost everyone loves the sweet. So how do you still refuse sugar or reduce its use? Many people who abandon this product say that their health has improved much. After all, sugar contains the hormone of happiness, dopamine and serotonin. Sugar is found in very many products. Sometimes manufacturers can hide that they added it to the product. Sugar can be associated with such products as sausage, industrial chicken broth, pickles, salad dressing, breadcrumbs, yogurt and cereal. And because of the addition of sweeteners to the food, it stimulates overeating. It should be added that according to the results of numerous studies, it is sugar that causes diabetes and obesity. How to reduce the consumption of sugar? Breakfast is not a dessert. Try not to eat for breakfast stored desserts, yogurts and much more. It is better to limit fried eggs with the addition of vegetables, a piece of whole grain bread with cheese and avocado and freshly squeezed juice. Stop drinking sweet drinks. This applies to juices, soft drinks, etc. Use more plain water without gas. Pay attention to the labels of the goods. Choose those with the least amount of sugar and its substitutes. Eat fruit. Fruit is a natural sugar that is digested in your body and converted into energy, not fat. However, mango and banana are better to use in the morning. They contain a lot of sugar. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.